Hey you guys, I am Mark, and I got a new puppet for my birthday. His name is Jose. Yes. And I just wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna try. I don't know how to change my channel name to Ernie and Jose channel, but I have my stepbrother, playing as Ernie now. So I'm not going to be playing as Ernie, so the voice is going to be different. But I just wanted to introduce you guys to Jose so you guys can go in the comments and say, who's that new puppet and what's his name? So I'll see you guys in a couple minutes because I'm going to post a video right after this because I'm trying to shoot a video with Jose and Ernie. So let's do this. Alright, bye.